Hello everyone, Tanuja from Tanus. Today I'm going to show you some Kanchi cotton saris. There are more saris in this store, but I'm going to talk to you about these two saris. Very interesting. I know summer is gone and we are entering monsoons, but still I feel there are many people who prefer cottons over silk for special occasions or even informal occasions. So for those such kind of people who prefer cotton, these are a good choice. So I want to show them to you. హలో అండి, నమస్తే తనూజ. నేను ఈరోజు కంచి కాటన్ శారీస్ చూపిస్తున్నాను మీకు. ఇప్పుడంతా సమ్మర్ వెళ్ళిపోయింది, కానీ మాన్సూన్స్ వస్తున్నాయి. సో మనకి వర్షాలు వచ్చే టైంకి కాటన్స్ అంత ప్రిఫర్ చేయరు, కానీ అయినా కూడా కాటన్స్ శారీస్, కాటన్ ఫ్యాబ్రిక్ ప్రిఫర్ చేసే వాళ్ళకి ఈ మంచి చాయిసెస్. సో ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు షో యూ దీస్ sarees now. The first one is in a lovely grey, a solid grey with a Ganga Jamuna border. Paina we have this green border on one side, and we have this blue checkered bottom. So that's the border, and this is, see, you have the Rudraksha and the checks in between, like a gap border. Rudraksha with the small temple design here, and you can see that these sarees are, the beauty of this saree is ikkada pallu. The pallu is so beautiful. So this is like, you wear it for occasion. Look at the lovely motifs here. There's a peacock, there's the paisley or the mango shaped design, and these are the Rudrakshas in between. So these are borders. This is all done in zari thread work, and this is 120 count cotton body in grey. So the top border for you is this green, and this is the bottom border. So when you see the blouse also, this comes with the blouse, and that is a running blouse, like so. So you have the hand for the hands, you can use either the color this one or the navy blue, and for the back you can use either of which. So alternating ga mere sleeves ki ee color na aa color na navy blue ani pettukochu, kani, or you can go with with a complete contrast blouse also, plain one, that is also possible. And a lovely sari, when you drape it, it looks so good. I'll show you how it looks. So see, so this is how it is going to look on you. That's the pallu. Beautiful, isn't it? So this sari is priced at 5,800, free shipping within India, and you can also avail 10% discount for the Ashadam sale. So this sari is at 10% discount and free shipping in India. Likewise, I'm going to show you the next one, the next sari. It is in a lovely maroonish red color. See this? This is the booty that is going to be in the body, and this is the gap border design, a small one, not too big. For those of you who do not like big borders and want a smaller border preference, this is the best one. And look at the contrast, a lovely contrast, maroon ki orange. పెద్ద బార్డర్ వద్దు, చిన్న బార్డర్ కావాలనుకున్న వాళ్ళకి ఇది మంచి చాయిస్ అండి. అండ్ ఈ బుటీ వర్క్ చూడండి, అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ఆల్ అగైన్ 120 కౌంట్ కాటన్ హ్యాండ్లూమ్, ప్యూర్ హ్యాండ్లూమ్ సారీ. దీనిదల్లా వచ్చేసి మీకు పళ్ళు. లుక్ ఎట్ దిస్ పళ్ళు, లవ్లీ పళ్ళు ఇన్ జరీ థ్రెడ్ వర్క్, సో బ్యూటిఫుల్. దిస్ ఈజ్ you see this motif here. I'm in love with such motifs, because when you look at these motifs here, look at this one. There's this the lion and the peacock together. So beautiful. This is an attraction actually. This is the work of a handloom sari, because you can see the back side. See, this is all hand knotted, hand woven sari. This is all hand knotted. If it was a machine made, everywhere you'll have these thread works like that, cut thread works, and you will not have such kind of thing. It will go continuously. ఆ థ్రెడ్ ఇక్కడి నుంచి ఇక్కడికి పోయి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది, బికాస్ ద మెషిన్ కెన్ నాట్ డూ దిస్ ఇంట్రికేట్ వర్క్. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఓన్లీ డన్ విత్ ద హ్యాండ్. సో ఇది ఎలా చేస్తారు అంటే, దే కీప్ ఎ పేపర్ ఆఫ్ ద డిజైన్ అండ్ దాని పైనుంచి they will pass the shuttle, the weft shuttle keeps going according to the design. So the design paper is down under, and then they put the shuttle. Shuttle is nothing but a small bobbin type, and it will be in a kind of oval shaped wood piece. In that there would be thread, like a, if you see anybody who is using a sewing machine, you'll have a bobbin like kind of a thing. Similarly, at a bigger scale, you have that, and that is used to weave these designs. So this is the beauty of wearing a hand woven sari, and these can be passed on to people. They don't go bad. This motif can also be used later on if you are tired or bored of the sari. Then you can also use this motif as a on the yoke of a tunic or on the blouse as a sleeve. There are multiple options later, but as a sari, it's a beautiful pallu, a beautiful contrast going on here, and the blouse piece is the running blouse piece again. So you have the running blouse. It doesn't have any booties here, but just the border for the sleeves, and the back portion you can also use this of the blouse. So this is the sari. So I'll just show you how it looks when it is draped. I'm just showing you. I don't want to fold it too much. So beautiful sari. Anybody can wear, any age group can wear this. Lovely, isn't it? So there are several saris set up in the store. You can also DM us and ask us for a video call for more colors, more different designs, and reach us out at 8121129550. Thank you for watching us.